Hey guys, sanibona. Nangu phela uMangcobo noNgaraji besukela uShwabe ezithulele. Look, I know that you should be excited with these two finally getting together. But hey Joe, uShwabe unestress ukuthi angaboshwa noma inini. So uthi athole le ngiyakutshela uzobabulala ngempela, and uZethu is not the only person that you're going to have to be worried about. Guys, let's talk about this and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now I know that you should be excited ukuthi uNgaraji noMangcobo are finally getting together. Now our favorite couple is finally like acting up by sukumela into yabo bazojola manje, and gonna be happy because it's something that you've always wanted. Mina nje for instance, kade ngikhathele indlela that uMangcobo was treated by uShwabe, so I wanted them to break up vele. So now that things are happening like this, I'm really excited, but I wanted uMangcobo to leave uShwabe first, bese-ke uhamba uNgaraji wakhe baphile kamnandi, baphile happily ever after. Now that uMangcobo is still with uShwabe kodwa busy noNgaraji at the same time, I'm not happy at all because lento lena is putting both their lives in danger. Awuqala uShwabe uyingozi, we all know that. So now that this whole situation is happening right in front of his eyes, ebona uzocasuka lana and act up ngendlela ebhedayo, I don't know. Oqala angikho sure nanokuthi uShwabe uzobosha. Just imagine bese uShwabe bosha uShobane, bosha uCaptain on top of that, bazoboshwa kubani ngona because uCaptain umngani wabo angazokwenzakalani mina la, and I'm really worried about this. Guys, I don't know. Do comment down in the comment section. Now, what did you think about this particular scene of Homecoming Mzansi? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed. Also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.